Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers, and today we have a review of a waterproof Bluetooth speaker from the brand called SOLICE. The price is only $30, but the speaker offers water resistance, hi-fi audio, and 18 hours of battery life. Let's make unboxing, review, and test of SOLICE Bluetooth speaker. In description I will leave the link to the store on Amazon. In fact, we received two items because SOLICE speaker has a function called TWS. So you can connect two speakers and create stereo sound system. Of course, we will check this function a little later. So the box of the SOLICE speaker looks like this. There is an image of a speaker, SOLICE logo, and a wireless speaker inscription. Inside the box you will find user manual, micro USB charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, and a clip which you can use to clip the speaker on your clothes, backpack or any other place. Talking about design of a SOLICE speaker, I should start with size. It is portable speaker, so the dimensions are quite compact, 204 by 53 by 75mm. Here is how the speaker looks like compared to my 5.5-inch smartphone. The weight is only 340 grams. As you can see, the speaker has a big logo on the front side. On the top you can find control buttons. The first button is power, which is also automatically turns on Bluetooth mode. M button is used to switch between Bluetooth mode, microSD mode or 3.5mm mode. As you understand, you can insert microSD memory card to play music from memory card, or you can connect the speaker to smartphone via 3.5mm audio jack. It is very nice that SOLICE speaker is not only Bluetooth speaker. The next button is play and pause, volume down and up. By the way, you can quickly tap on volume down or up buttons to go to the next or previous song. The last button with the image of arrow activates a special buttons of this speaker, TWS mode. TWS technology allows to pair two SOLICE speakers by Bluetooth connection to create stereo sound system. We have the second speaker, so we will check this function later. On the back of the speaker you can find connectors such as microSD, 3.5mm audio jack, and microUSB port for charging. Also, there is a strap on the side and two rubber legs, so the speaker will not slip on the surface. This is very important, especially when you can use speaker near the swimming pool. By the way, talking about swimming pool, SOLICE speaker has IPX6 water resistance. It means that the speaker is splash-proof, rain-proof, dust-proof, sand-proof, snow-proof, and even shock-proof. However, it is not waterproof. It means that you cannot swim with speaker or use it under the water. That's all about design of a SOLICE speaker. I really like its appearance, and it has convenient control buttons. Now let's talk about specifications and main features. SOLICE speaker is equipped with two drivers by 8W that provides deep bass and loud sound. By the way, there is a built-in microphone inside the speaker, so you can use it to answer phone calls. Very useful function. The speaker uses Bluetooth 4.2 technology for wireless connection with smartphone and other devices. Bluetooth range is up to 10 meters. SOLICE speaker has a battery capacity of 2200 mAh. This is enough for about 18 hours of music playback at a volume 60%. Of course, the battery life depends on the volume as well as Bluetooth range, outside temperature, and many other factors. In general, the battery life of this speaker is very good. It is very easy to connect SOLICE speaker to smartphone. You don't need any apps or special software. Just press power button on speaker, then go to Bluetooth menu of smartphone and choose SOLICE V7. Now you are ready to listen to music. If you want to use TWS mode, then press the power button on both speakers, then press the last button with arrow on one speaker and connect to smartphone. The speaker connected with each other automatically. It's time to test the sound. I will play some songs and videos on YouTube, so you can listen to the sound quality. As for me, I'm very impressed with the volume, bass and sound quality of this speaker.
Some of them will not stop firing for 50,000 years.
Tell me how to put it out.
You are dealing with something that has never occurred on this planet before.
SOLICE has released a very good Bluetooth speaker. Thanks to IPX6 water resistance, you can use it at any place, for example, near a swimming pool and ocean. Of course, it is not completely waterproof, but it is protected from splashes and rain. SOLICE speaker has good sound quality and a long battery life. By the way, you can buy two speakers and connect them to each other to create stereo sound system. Fortunately, the price of the speaker is very affordable, only $30. Thanks for watching this video. In description I will leave the link to buy speaker on Amazon. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.